just finally found it. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Basically, this is like a puzzle game. So, anyway, I'll show you. Yeah. Let's go through options. Yep. No, didn't want that. Go back. Go back. There we go. Alright. So, I'm really excited about this game. I haven't seen this in a while. So, yeah, let's just get into it. Breaking news. Historic homestead Grisly Manor destined to be demolished. Oh, Byco. Global retailer Byco threatening to build a new 300,000 square foot mega mart on the property. Wow, I am fumbling just talking to you. Long-standing owner Professor Theodore Obscuro has been unreachable to comment on this dramatic turn of events. I better go and see if I can help Grandpa. Yeah, so this is basically the premise of this game, is that this is our grandpa, and we're trying to stop his house from being stolen. I don't remember the text wasn't like that, though. Alright. Oh. I'm so curious. Can like... Alright. So yeah, this is basically... The mailbox is empty. Yeah, I can see that. So yeah, basically we just go in. It's just a puzzle game. I took the garden gnome. You found a super item. Inventory items marked with this icon can be interacted with and combined with other items. Tap here to continue. Some super items can be viewed from multiple angles. Tap this button to change views. Okay. A large slotted screw. Okay, we just need to find a screwdriver. How do I make... Oh, okay, that's how. Yeah, it's been a while. I forgot about that. Where it's like you have a journal. And the person here is a lot smarter than I am. Yeah, basically we just write down clues here. And I'll say we just give... There's a lock here. Large G. We need to find a G. Oh, yeah. What do you mean? Oh. Oh, it's fixed on, like, the fast mode. Okay. Yeah, I have not played this game. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, right. Okay, I think you need the fingerprint for something. Trunk is locked. Okay. Backup power system. Go into the garage. What the heck? Correct object. Yeah, so this is an old puzzle game. Like, pretty sure it's supposed to put balloons here or something. I just stole his leaf blower. Good for me, I guess. Oh, wait, the jack. Okay, now let's go to this side of the house. What the heck? Okay, go. Okay, so I don't know how to start. The latest in home security. Wow, well, I have one. Fuel. Oh, wait. Okay, so, I was just looking at it. Red, green, red. Yes, then it was just yellow. So one thing of yellow. There we go. And then it was 2 blue. Yes. There we go. The tiles move. Maybe this. Okay, we need to get power to the generator. This also needs film and power and take the diving mask. Now it seems a way to open the porthole. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a very complicated story game. Oh yeah, now we can go golfing. Never mind. Why is this special object? Okay. Anyway, going back to what we were doing. What do we have, by the way? Leaf blower. Oh my gosh, I'm moron. We can use a leaf blower on this thing. I can't just pick it up? I don't know. I'm pretty sure you use bowling ball on this guy. I don't think that's how physics works, but okay. Don't I need a coin for something? Like, I'm pretty sure there's something over here in the garage. I think there's... Okay, I can't go over there. Like, don't I need a coin? Like this thing? Oh, no, it doesn't need a coin. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to unrest the deed first. Yeah, I can't use it on this part yet. Maybe just go through. The mailbox is empty. Yeah. Just gonna be making a bunch of noises. Can I wait, hold up. Can I use a leaf blower on this thing? Let me try it. Oh, okay, never mind, I don't have any more. Oh my gosh. Watched a lot of movies up here over the years. I bet you did. This is a really good treehouse, by the way. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a treehouse in real life that has looked quite like that. Right, Grandpa? Something exciting seems to be happening inside Grandpa's life. I'm pretty sure it's a time machine. I might have just spoiled it for you. That's my bad. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a time machine. Yeah, any of you know what I'm supposed to do? Isn't there like a okay, so that is the hint button. Okay, we won't use that from it here on out, but for future reference. Okay, take the small key. Pretty sure I can use this to, okay. Use this on the door. Wait, no, the lock. Hold up, I don't know. Yes, I use it on the lock. And then it opens this underground area. Where I can now get a stain of tape. And then... Yes, I bet it was. And then use it on the coffee mug and then get the foot and fingerprint. Yeah. So now I have the fingerprint and I can now go open the garage door. Yeah, see? Easy. Easy. This is an easy game. Okay, no it's not, but... we keep telling ourselves it is. It will be. Got in. Oh, hey, Grandpa. Oh, there's... You made it. Oh, boy. I could really use another set of hands. There's so much to do in so little time. What are you even doing? It seems that after all the renovations I've done over the years, I've misplaced the deed to the manor, and we need it to stop these developers from bulldozing the place. Aye, aye. The last place I remember seeing the deed was in my old study, back in the original house. Wait, hold up. Original house? It did say 2 on the app. Is this like a sequel? I don't know. I never played the quote-unquote original. I don't know. We can travel back to the past using my old prototype time machine if I can just get a few parts fixed. Whatever you say, Grandpa. The first thing to fix is the old centrifuge. For this, I need you to find it and bring me my old blender. Your old blender? Grandpa was always working on these strange music. Okay. Okay, hold up. There's a door back here. Okay, that's the time machine, so I don't think we need to go back there. What do we have? We have acid. What is this for? I haven't seen a sticker album since I was a kid. I haven't seen this whole game since I was a kid. This is new territory for me too. We still have a coin. We should just like, yeah, I just have refills. We're not gonna use the hint though. We're not gonna use the hint. Dump acid. Can I dump acid on this? Okay, well, I just wasted the acid, I guess. There's a camera. A surveillance camera is keeping one. Okay. Yeah, you're supposed to put, like, balloons here or something. Like, okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Wait, hold up. Can I, like, paint any of this? Like, this thing? No, I can't. Wait, I know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah. I'm supposed to put this thing over the acid and it erases... Ah! Oh! Because now we can go up to the door and put the G in and enter the house. Okay. Am I missing something? Because when I played it, it wasn't this modern. Okay, maybe it was. I don't remember. Okay. Okay, there's... Okay, I need to open the ship's sails. That gets me something. Enter the house from that way. This music is a bop. That was a weird thing to say. Russians paper, but they are too faint to read. Something needs to go up here. I don't know what is going on. There needs to be a doorknob here. Can't go out here. This needs an antler. Yeah, this is a pretty complicated game. This is a puzzle. I'll just finish this real quick. Need to find... Yeah, just a puzzle that I think I did wrong. Wait, maybe I didn't. Oh, okay, it's missing a piece. The laundry thing? Okay. There's nothing of interest in the cabinets. How do you know that? What do I need a dust bunny for? Whatever. Oh yeah, I use these balloons for something. I know that. That needs a counterweight. This game is so complicated. Come on. Be a man. Toughen up. Or be a woman. I don't know. Okay, wait. That was just one way. No. It was in here. And we can... No, the balloons. Cool. I guess. Wait, no, I need to go back in the house. Wait. Okay. Grandpa, can't you help me out over here? Door's locked from the inside. Okay. Yuck. Well, you might need to. You never know. Okay, you're supposed to organize these, but I don't know. You just stay focused on the task at hand. Well, we got this thing. Don't do getting all the stickers actually get you something, or is it just like a bonus? How you take care of that? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that didn't work. Well, I can go upstairs, right? Oh. Yeah, we need this. I need a stamp. Okay. Nice. We also need to find the bear. Oh, nice. Okay. Can I go? Okay, no, that just sends me back downstairs. Like. Oh, wait, hold up. I'm gonna sharpen this pencil somehow. Why is the music playing like I have absolutely no time on my hands? I absolutely do. Okay, now I have a microscope. What do I do with that? The mechanism seems broken beyond repair. Well, I need to repair so I can get in there! What am I supposed to be doing? What am I doing? My life. I could be doing so much right now. I'm playing a puzzle game. Hold on, I still have the coin. Why do I have the coin? Like, could I get like a shovel or something to dig up the dirt? Wait, hold up. No, I need a screwdriver. No, I can't use the coin on that. I'm confused. Fuse box is locked. Of course it is. There's a ball missing. You need to find the ball. Why is it flying through that? Flying float. Holy. I feel like I'm missing something like really big. What the heck? No, not what I meant to do. Because I just need the last piece. Wait, hold on, what did you... No, never mind. Hold up. Cookie jar. I already checked there, apparently. I didn't even... Of course it's locked. I feel like I've seen something like this before. Apparently not, then. Oh, that's a terrible sound. Anyway, don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be doing something, but I don't know what that is. Maybe we can go outside again? Stop playing that swell in the music. It's kind of starting to piss me off. I need wind, otherwise that thing's not going to move. Oh wait, hold up. Don't the balloons go here? And there's an old wheel. And okay, now we can golf here. That's right, hole in one. Oh, hold up. Can we mark that down? Like, because that's the thing. Okay, so 3, Light. 3, 3. Light. Power cell of the machine beam is missing. You're not fully strong enough to press the button. Alright. A hole has not been drilled into that. I just got something, didn't I? Yeah, I got like a wheel. And I can like go here in like this weird room. Okay, well. Apparently I can just do this. Invincible. Well, we're just gonna leave it like that. Wait, hold on. Can I use like the dust bunnies or something? I don't know, man. I'm a tad confused. Microscopic slide. Now I can... Okay, orange, blue, yellow, red. Remember that. I'm pretty sure I saw that somewhere. Orange, blue, yellow, red? Is that in the garage? No, it's not. Orange, blue, yellow, red? I don't get it. What? Grandpa, I'm confused. Use the hint. I'm not gonna. I can figure this out. I'm stronger than this game. I'm better than this game. This game is actually sick. I'm upstairs, right? Like, puzzle up here. No, it wasn't that. I'm gonna go upstairs, buddy. You can hear it? Okay, just adult. I feel like I'm missing something. Like, something obvious. There's like a... That is... The puzzle is the code to get in there. What? I'm lost. Wait. Orange, blue, yellow, red. Yeah! Then we put the sock in here. Close it, clean. And it cleans the sock. Okay, now I have a wet sock. Am I supposed to put something in there? Cause... This is all we got. Like, that's genuinely all we have. We're not gonna put our hand in the fridge because we're cowards. I put like... Maybe give it some money? What are we supposed to do? Hold up. Go back. Flush it up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm stuck. Don't know what this is gonna be. Like... Genuinely, what am I supposed to be doing here? I don't get it. I am confuzzled. Maybe we just mess around with this until we get a combination that works. So I'm thinking, I'm back at like the garage. I just press these buttons a bunch of times. See what happens. Ah, that didn't work. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to take a break for a bit. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.